Hi, today our topic is ITP, Inspection and Test Plan from Civil Engineering Building Construction Practical Guidance Channel. I will explain you about ITP. In a building construction project, ITP is used for the inspections and test plans, how the executed work are get approved to get verified. It's in the tabular format. So it gives you a list of all the activities and its approval criteria, requirements, frequencies. So this is our standard format table. There are 8 columns and some rows. So these columns are standard and rows are extended as per the number of required activities. These are 8 columns: contents, serial number, description of activity, responsible person, reference document, type of inspection, acceptance criteria. So then the column number 1, write the serial number from top to bottom. How many activities we have, write all the serial numbers in the first column. In the second column, list out all the activities in this particular work package, in this particular procedure. In the column number 3, write the responsible person against each activity, whether it's a site engineer or it's a quality engineer or it's a subcontractor. In column number 4, write the reference document, which document we will use to verify the executed work. Like we will use the material approval or shop drawing approval or method statement approval, etc. In the fifth columns, type it requires, whether it's inspection or it requires a test or it requires a both to verify. In the sixth, acceptance criteria, write the criteria how the executed activity will be approved, certified. In the seventh columns, write the reference document we will use to verify the activities, whether it's a work inspection document or it's a material inspection documents, etc. And in the last column, write the inspection and test codes: I for inspection, R for review, H for hold point, S for surveillance. So that's all for the ITP. It's a tabular format for your project. If you like this ITP, please subscribe so that you can get my other videos. Thank you very much.